Louboutin or Louboutin? Louboutin? Loubs. I'm gonna say Loubs. I bought 3 pairs of Loubs from Louboutin, from the outlet. I mean, Loubs are expensive shoes in general, and they're not the most comfortable shoes. Beauty is pain or whatever. The experience was great. The guy was really helpful. They had so many options. You can say what size you are, and then he'll type in the size, and then on the computer you can just see all the shoes that are available in your size, which is great. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I love to talk everything luxury, fashion, clothes, shoes, jewelry, bags, all of it. And love to talk about my opinions on things and unboxings, reviews, shopping vlogs, all sorts of things. So if that's kind of something that you're interested in, stick around, hit the like, subscribe, share, all those buttons. So today I have some outlet shopping shoes that I'm going to unbox to you. Some Louboutin, Louboutin. I actually don't know how to pronounce this. Louboutin or Louboutin or Louboutin, Loubs. I'm gonna say Loubs. Christian Loubs. So I have a bunch of stuff I bought from the outlet, showing you what I got. So this is gonna be some Loubs, 3 pairs of Loubs that I got. I'm gonna do these also, not in segments, but like, so 2 of them I got, but I had to send them back for repair already. Like once I get them back, I will bring them back in and open them and talk about the repair process, but I'll put it all into one video. But this one, we're gonna do the first unboxing. So I bought 3 pairs of Loubs from Louboutin, from the outlet. So I can talk about price, strategy, and stuff like that, everything there. And then I'll talk about these particular ones that I got that are amazing. Okay. And then, you know, whatever else. So that's something you're interested in, stick around. Okay? So I think there's only one Loubs outlet in all of the US, I'm pretty sure. I think that's what the sales associate that I was working with, who's lovely. He's so nice. I can't remember his name right now. I have it in my phone somewhere. Sorry, I don't remember your name off the top of my head. But he's super friendly, super nice. So I think this is the only Loubs store, like Loubs outlet is at Cabazon outside of LA in Palm Springs, between Palm Springs and LA. And so it like, there's like a line. It was a little bit of a line outside, but it wasn't that bad. And there's a lot of people there and everything's like on sale. So everything is at least like 20, 30, 40% off. It's like pretty good deals. I mean, Loubs are expensive shoes in general, and they're not the most comfortable shoes, but you know what? Fashion is pain, or whatever, beauty is pain, or whatever passion is, whatever the saying is. I did get these amazing pairs of sock shoes that are the most comfortable things in the entire world. And I will show those later because they're being repaired right now. I sent them in for repair because one of the spikes fell off. And he said the spikes never fall off, but 2 out of my 3 shoe spikes fell off. So maybe the shoes they send to the outlets are defective ones, maybe, or they're just not as good, or maybe I was just really rough with them. I wore them around New York for a week, so maybe it's just my bad shoe handling management. But anyway, this is another pair that I got. And yeah, so everything like was marked down. Most of the shoes are like 500 to 800, and they're usually like 11 to 2,000, you know? Some of the shoes went up to 11, 1,200, but those were like a $2,000, $3,000. So it's like 40 to 60% off. I'll tell you, these were originally $1,295, and I got them for $777, which they like to do $777 because they got 2 pairs of shoes for $777 and 1 for like 11. Anyway, regular box. Box is a little, you know, it's getting a little blah, blah. Over at the box, we got the box, and then let's get into the shoes. So, surprise, here they are. So these are the Pike. I wish I knew the exact name. I'll write down the exact name. I have the receipt somewhere that says it, but I think it's the Louis Flat Pike, maybe? Here they are on the front. They're beautiful. They're black with a white rubber base. Got the Loubs on the bottom. Yes. So I got these for $777 plus tax. Their tax was 7.75%, I think, so it was like $830 total. White laces, black, silver, spikes everywhere. I mean, you know, it's just c'est magnifique, hein? You know, I mean, it's so nice. Leather inside, leather outside, stitching details in the back. Comes with 2 bags. Faisait, you know, se quitter chez les conditions. Upclose in person, huh? Look. The experience was great. The guy was really helpful. They had so many options. They had pretty much, you can say what size you are and then he'll type in the size. And then on the computer, you can just see all the shoes that are available in your size, which is great. And they had so much selection. They had pretty much everything that the store had, just like 2 seasons old, but like every size, every style, like this in the different colors, like everything. They had a bunch of options for men and for women. They had plenty of things, and there wasn't that crazy. And yeah, I mean, I think it's final sale. I don't think they have a return policy, or maybe it's like 30 days exchange, but I'm pretty sure it's final sale. But I got his contact info too, and now like he's super helpful. Like I just text him an email. Like this whole return process wasn't through him, but he helped me how to do it. 2 of the shoes that I got, the other 2 pairs, I'll talk about those 2 when I get them back, but they didn't come with dust bags or like extra you know, extra pikes or like cloth or anything like that in there, or like stuffing or anything like that in there in the shoes. So I just texted him and he was like, of course, yeah. And he just shipped me like 4 or 5 extra dust bags and an extra pair of laces and extra like, you know, pike these thingies, which was great and super helpful. He's very nice. And now I can just text him and be like, hey, what shoes do you have right now? And he'll just send me what he has. And then if I want something, they can just ship it to me. So I don't even have to go there. I don't make the 2-hour drive to go there, and I can just have the connection there. So I think it's really important if you want to buy luxury outlet shopping and you want to do it like often, to not just go during the big sales, because when the big sales are like, you know, Thanksgiving or whatever, Black Friday, Labor Day, all those things are big sales, but they also have just regular sales. And if you have a connection with someone there, you can literally just text them. And like my person at Gucci, I just text her, she'll FaceTime me and show me what's in the store, send me photos of what's in the store, and then I can just say, this is what I want, and I buy it and it ships, and I don't have to go. I don't make the 2.5-hour drive there, the 2.5-hour drive back, or whatever it is, plus actually spending the time there. So I think it's really worth investing in going there once and just getting a business card from everyone, you know, showing them that you're interested and you're a serious person and you want to buy stuff, maybe buy something with them, and then get their contact info so that you can stay in touch with them and buy more stuff online. I have like a contact person at literally every store there now, which has been really super helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed that, please give this video a like, a thumbs up, a subscribe, a share, anything you can spare. If you liked it, please share with your friends. If you hated it, please share with your enemies. Thank you and good night.